Do you want to speak English confidently, but don't know where to start? Don't worry. In this video, I'll give you a simple step-by-step guide to start speaking English today, even if you're a complete beginner. Stick till the end, because I'll share a bonus tip to improve your fluency faster than you expect. Step 1. Start with simple daily words. Begin with the English words you use in your daily life, like water, food, phone, book, door. Say them aloud whenever you use them. For example, instead of saying, "Give me pani," say, "Give me water." This builds confidence. Step 2. Make small sentences. Don't wait to learn big grammar rules first. Start forming short sentences like, "I am hungry, am going out. This is my book." Speak them aloud while doing activities. The more you speak, the faster you learn. Step 3. Listen and repeat. Watch English videos, songs, or short reels. Listen carefully and repeat sentences exactly the way you hear them. This improves your accent, pronunciation, and natural flow. Step 4. Practice with yourself. Don't wait for a partner. Stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself. For example, "Today, I woke up at a.m. I ate breakfast. Now, I'm watching a video." This will train your brain to think in English. Step 5. Learn 5 new words daily. Write down just 5 useful words every day. Use them in sentences immediately. Example, if you learn the word delicious, say, "This food is delicious," instead of just good. Bonus tip. Record your own voice while speaking English. Listen to it, find mistakes, and correct yourself. This is the fastest way to improve. So, start with simple words, make short sentences, listen and repeat, practice daily, and learn 5 words every day. If you follow this guide, you'll start speaking English confidently in just a few weeks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning tips.